Welcome to the basics of auditing. Have you ever wondered how businesses ensure their financial statements are accurate and reliable? That's where auditing comes in. Auditing is the independent examination of financial information of any entity, whether profit-oriented or not, and irrespective of its size or legal form. When such an examination is conducted with a view to expressing an opinion thereon. In simpler terms, it's like a financial health checkup for a company. The primary purpose of an audit is to provide assurance to stakeholders such as investors, creditors, and the public, that the financial statements are free from material misstatement and present a true and fair view of the company's financial position and performance. This builds trust and confidence in the financial markets. There are several types of audits, including financial audits, operational audits, and compliance audits. Financial audits focus on the accuracy of financial statements. Operational audits assess the efficiency and effectiveness of an organization's operations. Compliance audits determine whether an organization is following specific rules, policies, or laws. Key principles of auditing include independence, integrity, objectivity, confidentiality, and professional competence. Auditors must remain unbiased and act with honesty and due care throughout the audit process. In conclusion, auditing is a critical function that upholds transparency and accountability in the financial world. It provides credibility to financial reporting, helping businesses and economies thrive. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the basics of auditing.